It's 4 o'clock, time to tune into yourself and turn out the outside chatter. Today we're going to talk about our cosmic consciousness, our crown chakra. So it's the 1,000 Petalled Chakra at the top of our head. This is a hand mudra that represents the 1,000 Petalled Chakra. If you put your hands together like a prayer and keep your little finger and thumb attached and open up. So this is like opening up to the universe. And in yoga art, it's 1,000 Petalled Lotus. And it means beyond form. It means cosmic awareness. It means pure form, pure sensitivity, pure awareness. So ideally we want this chakra open so it can receive energy and we can give our good energy back. So it's the top of the channel. I suppose if it's blocked, it could be somebody who's cynical, or not somebody, but expressions of cynicism, skepticism, being stuck in your head, you know, the thoughts that keep rolling and rolling and rolling and they're never let go. So, the sound is just Om, not a repeated Om, but a nice long Om. The color is white. So, let's have some fun. Today we'll chant Om together 3 times. So just one long exhale, Om. Okay? So we will begin that way. If you'd like to hold your hands in the 1,000 Petalled Mudra, you could do that. Okay. Om. Take a breath. Now, when I studied in India, my teacher, who was Hindu, and he had studied with Ram Dass, so he made it very clear that the Aum rolls around the entire mouth. It's not like a Om coming straight out, it's Aum. So let's try it that way. I'm going to turn my palms up for this one, and we'll do 2 more, one right after the other. And remember the Aum rolling through the mouth rather than projecting straight out. Exhale, inhale. Aum. Aum. Okay, so we're going to start out with some tapping. So I suppose you could do the tapping on your chair, but if you can stand, just stand up and let's tap our toes. Tap our toes. So kind of just let yourself be a piece of seaweed and tap the toes. Tap the heels, excuse me. Tap the heels. Tap the heels. Tap the heels. And let your arms be loose. Tap, tap, tap. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. I'm turning. You can turn too. And just tap, tap, tap. 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 And let's tap the top of our head. Let's tap our 1,000 Petalled Lotus. This is the Sahasrara chakra. Sahasrara, beyond form. Now, another thing I did in India, which I'm not going to do here, was just, if you want to do it on your own time outside, just hop for 15 minutes. And that gets all the energy coming up from the earth to the top of your head. And it actually feels quite good. So it's kind of ecstatic yoga. So you can hop, hop, hop. I showed you the tap, 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 but hop, 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 hop. Do it for as long as you can. Okay, so the next pose is tree pose. So I'm going to show it on the chair. We can put our foot on the chair. Now, if you can be against the wall, you can flatten your back of your pelvis against the wall. Okay. Now, you want your legs straight. So if you're leaning in, you're really putting pressure on your knee and hip. So get that standing leg nice and straight. Push down on your foot. Here. Widen the standing leg foot and take the energy up. Lift your thumbs, lift your fingernails. Be aware of the top of your head. Push on both feet, moving up, 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 and then come down. And we'll do it on the other side as well. So just look and make sure your standing leg is straight. You're not coming in or going out with this hip. Either coming in is going to put pressure on your lateral knee, lateral meniscus. If you're going out, you're pushing on the medial. Okay, so nice straight leg. Here, be able to push the foot down. Okay, pelvis slightly tilted, navel in, sternum in. Let's prayer position. And up above that Sahasrara chakra. So lift the thumbs, the fleshy part of the thumbs, lift all the fingernails. Inhale, lengthen the spine, feel the top of the head. And come on down. The next pose is we're going to do headstand. Now, for people who haven't been practicing headstand, we're going to just put the block on your head. Okay, if you don't have a block, you can use a book and pull it down. And the elbows come in. Now, the part of the head is the fontanelle, where you know how babies always have a soft spot. Okay, it's like, I always think of, you know, you go to the store, you see Fontina cheese, and it's usually round, and it's like the soft part of a newborn's head. So even though we're not newborn, we still have the possibility of the bones joining and coming apart. Okay, you know, there's a crack here. So we're going to pull down on the crack. And you might be able to find it. You don't want your chin up. If there's any, it's slightly down, neck relaxed, and elbows rather than elbows out. We can start with our elbows out and then bring them in. Okay, let's just go back and forth. Okay, we're working with the crown chakra. Okay, and then let the sit bones drop into the chair, squeeze the upper back. Rather than lift your shoulders towards your ears, drop the shoulders down. So the skin on the back body is melting down. The skin on the front body moving up. And this is actually a lot of work. You'll feel a lot of work in your shoulders, deltoids. Okay, a lot of work there. And you can come down with the block and repeat for people who want a little more head action here. we're going to practice the beginning of headstand. So, headstand, you weave your fingers together and you take the little finger on the inside. Okay, so we're going to press on the edge of the forearm from the edge of the elbow, which is kind of that knobby piece like the bottom of a chicken drumstick right here, to the outside of the elbow on each forearm. So it's like a knife blade. Okay. And the width of the arms when we put them down are as wide as the shoulders. If you have tight shoulders, you want to go a little wider, and you want to drop the shoulders down, lengthen the neck. So we won't go up into headstand, but we're going to place our forearms down. Okay, place your forearms down, and then place your fontanelle between your hands and lengthen the neck. So you could stay right there. Okay, head down, press the head down. Second, you could come up. Third, you could walk in. If you want to come up, you come up. Or stay down here, here. And if you're sitting on the chair, sitting on the floor, let's do headstand one more time using the block. Okay, we're going to take the block, put it on the top of our head, and butterfly in and out. And then bring the elbows in, push the head up, block down, drop the sit bones, lift the head, squeeze the upper back. And lift the block. And we'll do, take your right hand with the thumb up. Okay. Cup your left hand underneath. And press the hands together. Imagine that this is the nostril and the breath is moving down and up. So this cradling of the hands with the thumb up on the right hand, pressing against the cup of the left, in line with your spine, helps give you the sensation of the up-down movement. So let's just breathe together. Let's exhale, press the hands together, using the crown as your nostril. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, close the eyes, exhale, drop the shoulders, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So the feeling, let's repeat that, the feeling that the breath is coming from above, going to the bottom of your torso, to the perineum, and then up and down, like an elevator. Let's repeat. Right thumb up, cradle your hand. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Elevator down, elevator up. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. And just close your eyes and imagine that you have a halo, a white halo. So this chakra is white, and we've spun the chakra and let the halo rest and radiate on top of your head. And let it radiate, that radiation from your halo extend to all you love, all the people you don't know. Let it wrap around the planet Earth from your spot wherever you are. So your radiation, your compassion, circling the globe, front and back, right and left, northeast, southwest. So that's the short yoga lesson for today. We did some spring cleaning on our halos, on our cosmic consciousness, on our Sahasrara chakra. Tomorrow we'll do some meditation connecting all the chakras, breathing, and a few stretches, and then we'll do some yoga nidra, which is yoga relaxation. Hopefully everybody can be on the floor on their backs. If you have to sit in a chair, you can relax in your chair, and I'm sure the guided meditation tomorrow will be delightful. So see you next video.